So it's day 2 now. I got my second detailing appointment scheduled for this morning. Couldn't get my mic to work, so I might have to get a new mic. We use it for our running fitness channel, so it could just be worn out from that. I don't know, but the real gonna have to get better mic set up. I was gonna try and bring you guys some better audio quality this time, but it is what it is. But yeah, today's gonna be a XL SUV, basic interior clean, and then the client on this one, they wanted to get the exterior of their SUV washed. I don't really offer that, but because it's a special client, I went ahead to decided to take care of that for them too. So you'll see me doing an exterior and an interior cleaning today. But yeah, very excited. Got my uniform on. Check me out. You know, the whip doctor is here to take care of you. All right, so we're at the first car today. Got a Ford Explorer, just doing exterior and then interior detail on this. So we're gonna get right to it. All right, so starting out, I just like to go through the interior of the car, see what we're working with, record everything, kind of assess the damage, because you know, pictures from your client definitely different from in-person viewing. But you know, we gotta get everywhere: door cards, seats, floors, floor mats, all throughout the car. And this car, you know, kids are in there. You know, kids can be a pretty big mess. So it's important, if you do have kids, you know, maybe have your detailer scheduled to clean every so often, so that, you know, your car doesn't get out of control, because the kid didn't pay for the car. And so, you know, you want to maintain the value of the car. You want to invest some money to keep it clean, especially with children all the way from under age 10. You know, they're just pretty messy in general. So that's something to think about when you have a car and you got kids, is thinking about how much of a mess they're going to leave behind. We all know kids are pretty messy, especially babies. The younger they are, the messier they are, for sure. But yeah, in the front of the car is just general wear. It is a high traffic area. You know, people sit in the front passenger seat and the driver's seat. So it's typical for that to be common. And like I said in the video, I started with the exterior, you know, starting with the wheels, the dirtiest thing. You know, working the tires, working the rim itself, and just like doing that from 2 to 3 times, depending on how dirty the wheel is and the rim. But yeah, we just work our way around the car clockwise. And I think I used a Turtle brand wheel cleaner on this car. It's my first time using that brand. It was okay. I know there's a bunch of different brands out there that can be used, but you know, we're just starting out, so definitely discovering what's good and what's not good or okay. You know, just finding the gauge of all the different types of wheel cleaners that are preferable. And I'll be getting into but I don't really plan on doing it quite yet. As you can see, I'm just working the interior, you know, cleaning floor mats, vacuuming it out. I blow out the cars with an air blower, just to kind of minimize the amount of vacuuming that's going to have to be done. Kind of helps, especially when you're blowing out cracks and crevices. And you can see I'm working the seats here. The leather seats are pretty nice to have if you got kids. You know, they won't soak up anything that they spill, you know, candies, juices, anything like that kids are eating, granola. You know, the leather, it won't soak it up like cloth will. And you know, I work my way from outside inside. The video clips don't really show like step by step, like in the order process, but you know, hit all the door panels, hit all the seats, and just showing you some clips of me working, like what it's like on the POV, not POV, but the third person view of what it's like to be cleaning out these cars and just showing you how in depth I like to get with cleaning cars. That's just how I like to do it. I had to work the trunk to get it cleaned up back there as well. Just like making sure to be as detailed as possible to catch any crevices, small areas, even if it's not commonly used. And you can see here, we got pretty good clean results. Leather is less shiny than it once was. That shine is typically like oils and whatnot from your body, your hands. There's different things that can make it technically not feel clean, and it'll look okay, but when you actually wipe it, it's actually pretty dirty. Yeah, this is the after result of cleaning. Some of the stuff did not come out due to just not enough time. I spent almost 4 hours on this SUV, so it took quite a minute to get it right. But I think I did overall a pretty good job. The clients, they enjoyed it. They gave me a rating 10 out of 10. I always know that there's ways you can be better, so I'm gonna keep on working on that, but I'm just mostly happy that they're satisfied with the end result. And that's really what matters is the clients, like they're the ones driving the car, so I wanna make sure they're always content. So I asked them too, like, hey, is there anything that you see that I did not see, so I can touch it up real quick and make sure it's good to go before I leave, just so as I continue to do this, I get better and better and better and more precise with how I look over cars after I finish cleaning them, just to make sure everything's good to go. Granted, I've been cleaning cars my whole existence of owning cars. You still can't be 100% perfect, especially in the condition of with time and then like not an indoor shop. So,
all right, so
that's just what it is. But
we finished up that detailed job on the Explorer, both for the client. So husband and wife are very happy because they use that car for a lot of different things. They have kids too. They got 2 kids, so that's why the back seats have a lot of the debris in it. But they're very happy with the results. There were still some stains left behind, but that would take a deeper cleaner to clean to get out. And I was only working with so much time. I think I spent about 3 hours and 45 minutes on that car, and I ran 45 minutes over. I wanted to spend an hour and a half on or an hour cleaning the outside and 2 hours on the inside, but you only got so much time in a day, and so I wrapped it up in about 3 hours and 45 minutes. I was pretty happy with the end result, and so are they. So yeah, this is day 2. I don't have any more bookings lined up as of now, but I do have a lot of people reaching out, so hopefully I get a lot of biters to start out while I build the online platform so that I can, get clients from the internet, to be able to detail their cars too. But yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna keep on booking clients, keep on detailing. Yeah, it's the Whip Doctor.